enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of In Conversation With. We have been celebrating children and young achievers in the month of November, and I have another interesting story for you this time. The youngest tabla player. No, and not this is not something that is not a title that I have given him. The Guinness World Record has given him this title of the youngest tabla player. So let's get to know him, Trupraj Pandya. Trupraj, thank you so much for joining us here today. Lovely to have you with us.
Thank you.
So let's get straight into this chat. Tell us, how did the journey begin?
So actually, I was born with a rhythm sense. So my grandmother used to sing some bhajans in the kitchen. So I used to bang some aluminium utensils, and then my father gifted me a dholki. So I started to play that. And at the age of 2, I performed my first public performance in Somaya College. And at the age of 3, I performed in All India Radio. Uh, and because of that performance, I got the Guinness World Record title.
Lovely, very nice. So you're sort of born with this talent for rhythm and music. That's what you mean by the whole story, right?
Yes, means
All
I
right.
don't know that at what time I learned tabla. Uh, it was not fixed. Means I was having that sense within me.
So it was almost like the music and tabla chose you rather than you choosing on when to start learning it or choosing that as an instrument. It happened naturally for you.
Yes.
Okay, lovely. So tell us something more about this Rashtriya Bal Puraskar that you have received. I am aware that you have received that award as well. So tell us a little more about that.
1 year ago, I got the Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2020, and uh, I got that award from our President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind ji. And after that, I met our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. We were almost 26 children for that ceremony, and it was a whole week tour, and we went to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We met the Prime Minister of India. We uh, we went to the Darbar Hall and that all stuff. So it was quite good.
It was
The
a good
experience was quite
experience.
good. Yes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So tell us, you have told us about your Puraskar and also about the world record. Tell us about your experience as a TEDx speaker. I am aware that you're also a TEDx speaker. Tell us, what did you speak about and where was this TEDx held?
Uh, Nearly 3 or 4 years ago, I gave my TEDx speech. I gave my TEDx speech two times. First in TEDx Hinduja College, and second in TEDx Bandra. So there I talked about my journey for playing tabla, and the assistance of the TEDx speakers came into my home and prepared a speech for me, which I had to tell. Uh, it was almost uh, the preparation of 2 weeks, my whole tabla performance, my speech, and 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 actually, I'm a very shy person, so I don't like to talk very much about myself. So even they had to prepare me for my speech, and at last I did it.
So tell us, Dhruvraj, we know about your passion, which is playing tabla. You have mentioned to me that you're otherwise a little shy person, but what are your hobbies other than playing the tabla? I'm sure you are interested in something else too.
Yes, I am very much interested in sports. I am a basketball school team captain. I play basketball, cricket, football, and many other sports. Uh, and I like to read books, and I like to read about history, the past. If I was not a so if I was not a tabla player, then I would surely be a sportsman or a basketball player. Because if it was not tabla, then it's sports.
Okay, lovely.
Yeah.
So you are in class 9, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you're in class 9. I'm sure academic pressure has slowly started building up for you from the time you have entered high school, and you play the tabla very regularly. You have already given more than 250 live performances. I'm sure the number is increasing by the day. And you love your sports, you read your books. How do you manage your time? How do you manage to do all of this?
During my school days, it was a hard thing to do. I need to wake up at 5 a.m. and practice my 1 hour slot, and then go to school, come back, and then practice 1 more hour slot, and then go to my classes, come back, play some time, play for some time, and then I used to do the 1 hour rehearsal one more time. But during the lockdown, it's quite easy because everything is at home. So every day, it's my average rehearsal time is increased because of the lockdown. Uh, it has been 2 or 3 hours per day
So
during
now
my
you
yeah.
practice for 2 to 3 hours every day?
Yes, I get a lot of free time, and then I sing for some time.
Okay, very nice. So you practice 2 to 3 hours every day. I mean, I think that's amazing. And I think as you grow, your time for Riyaz actually increases, right? Because you have to update yourself probably with a lot of new tunes, and you need to, because the other people who are in your industry also are so many and they are so good. You also have to keep updating yourself and keep getting better at what you do. It's amazing that you practice for such a long time every day. I think that's one of the true marks of being excellent at something, and I'm very sure you're doing that well. So tell me, who is your inspiration? Do you have any inspiration, any
Yes,
person?
yes. My my inspiration is of course Ustad Zakir Hussain ji and my guru Pandit Nayan Ghosh.
Lovely. So have you watched all of his videos and heard every single piece that he's played? Do you follow him very closely?
Yes, I follow Ustad Zakir Hussain ji very much from the past 8 9 years, and whenever I get time, I used to see his classical videos and try to play his patterns.
Okay, lovely. What would be your most memorable experience so far?
My most memorable experience so far is meeting Narendra Modi ji. I It was my dream of my dad and myself that one day I would meet Modi sir. Day, uh, so that dream came true. So that is my most memorable moment so far.
All right. So there is something I'm very curious about. Since your passion is playing the tabla, but you're also good at sports, and I'm assuming you're very decent in your academics as well. How much would you rate yourself if in academics, if 10 is the highest? How much would you rate yourself?
I would rate myself 8.5.
Okay.
8.5.
Okay, so you're
Yeah.
very good at your studies, you're good at your tabla, you love your sports. What is your ambition for yourself? All these are very confusing for me. I cannot, I cannot I cannot guess what your ambition would be. What's your ambition or goal for yourself?
My goal is to be a Indian classical musician, and I want to get better and better by day. in my tabla skills, learn more instruments, yeah, and do shows, do my own shows of classical tabla.
So
Yes,
you want your passion to be your career in future. That's a very clear call that you have taken already.
yes.
Okay, lovely, amazing. So at such a young age in class 9, you're already clear about what you're doing and you've found your passion. I think that is amazing. Many of us struggle for a long time to even understand what our passion is and to probably decide on a career path. But you have done it at such a young age. That's really amazing. So, lastly, Trupraj, tell us what would be your message to all the children out there?
My message would be passionate about your own passion. Keep following what you like, and if you like something, then chase it. Chase your dreams and practice every day. And I hope your dream will get true someday.
Wow, that's an amazing message. There you go, all you knowledge enthusiasts. Make sure you have a passion. And if you have a passion, practice every day, chase it, and definitely you will be able to achieve it. Thank you so much for watching this entire conversation that we have had with Trupraj. Thank you so much for joining us, Trupraj, here today. Lovely to have you with us. All of you viewers out there, come back soon. We will be back with another interesting story. You take care. Bye bye.